Another truck there with flashing lights on.
Yep.
You see a lot of looks like dust being behind it, isn't it? So it must be a dusty area again. Maybe we've been doing some work around here. It's caused more dust.
Yeah.
Unless it's gritty.
It did say on a sign earlier, salt spreading. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's a very dusty car.
Yeah. You see the back of his number plates all.
I was going to say, isn't it illegal to have that?
That's what
You
I
need
was
to be
going
able to see what it says.
If you ever get pulled over for that, you get done for it.
Mm-hmm.
They say you need to clean the back of your car, especially the reg number,
Yeah.
because it, for all they know, it could be not insured.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, let's go around this spreader.
Just hit the windshield.
You're going to feel a lot of sand or salt
Yep.
getting inflicted in
Can
the
see it all.
next second.
Ugh. It's a horrible sound.
It's bouncing around there, isn't it?
It's like hail.
And then have a look to get back in.
I feel like it would be terrifying to be in a hailstorm in a car.
Just go slow then, wouldn't you?
I think I'd just completely stop and give up.
Yeah.
I'll just wait till it's over, please.